Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jolly Masi, professor and scientist at BML Munjal University, and my key areas of specialization are artificial intelligence, IoT, agribusiness and marketing. I'm very happy to share with you all that recently one of my research paper titled Implications of Digital Innovations in Agribusiness has been published in a Scopus Q1 SCI Index journal, Smart Agricultural Technology. Now this particular paper is very close to my heart because it talks about all the new technology like precision agriculture, blockchain, advances in logistics system in agriculture, especially in developed and developing countries of Africa, and its results can also be implicated in agribusiness sector of India. We have to understand that as an agricultural based economy, if we don't hold the positive aspects of technology, we might lag behind other nations. So this particular paper has taken into consideration 47 really good research papers, and a bibliometric analysis has been done to get the major insights that how different technology can be blended well in different areas of agriculture. For example, if we talk about precision agriculture, then drone technology, use of sensors, connection of these sensors to IoT, which is Internet of Things, can be very helpful, and this aspect is called smart agriculture, and it has been proven that this smart agriculture provides better yield and productivity to the farmers. Similarly, the use of blockchain technology to improve the current supply chain and to overcome the loopholes. So I really hope that you read this paper and learn and enjoy and keep growing. Thank you so much.